What do you do, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video, I'm going to give you an update about the SolFarm, how this thing is doing, and it's not doing well, okay? So as you can see, the price right now is 321. If you come over here to the CoinGecko, we can see that the price is taking a dump, right? So from the time that I recorded, I think it was on the 16th, okay? The price was around $7 to $8. And from there, price had just been dropping and dropping and dropping. The trading volume still high, 1.4 million. Okay, and if we come over here to next screen, we can see that it was launched at around, I don't know, $1 or so, went all-time high to $20, and then now it's dumping. Okay, so seems like it reached the bottom, I believe. Maybe, maybe not. We'll see. Time will tell. And then let's see how it goes. If the team speeds up the marketing process, we might see a pump going back up. But if nothing happens, these tokens will suddenly die, simply die. Okay. Let's go over to the platform itself and let's see what's up. So as you can see on the last video, I showed you step-by-step tutorial how to invest in these things. So essentially, you will need a Phantom wallet, okay? And you will need some Solana tokens. And then from Solana tokens, go to Radium to purchase the SolFarm, okay? That's what I did. So once I purchased my tokens, I connected my wallet, and then you have to come over to the seed house, okay, and you hit deposit. So you hit deposit, and let's say you have 10 tokens in your wallet. All you got to do is just type in 10 tokens, click OK. Obviously, I don't have any, and then transaction will go through, and then a few seconds later, probably a minute or two, your tokens will pop up right here. Your 10 tokens will pop up right here. So once you got your 10 tokens, you come over here to the seed shop. Okay. So you click on seed shop and you can see that each seed has, you will need a different amount of coins. Okay. So for example, the apple seed, the one that I purchased at the time was 6 seeds or something. All right. So because the token price was a bit higher, but because it's low now and the yield is 50 bucks, so 15.53 coins is worth 50 bucks, and so on. You get the idea. So this number of seeds or coins um, changes according to the token value. All right. So once you got your seeds, you come over here to farm, and you got 20 slots right here. All you gotta do is just pick one. I picked this one right here. All right, and I planted my seed. Obviously, now I don't have any seeds because I only purchased 6 seeds and plant them all. Okay, so now I had to water it or compound it for 2 days. So every 24 hours. So I did that. So if you click over here, we can see that. Do you want to compound? It will give him an error because I already compound 2 times. So now it's time to harvest this tree. All I gotta do is click on harvest. Okay, are you sure to harvest apple tree? Estimated received is gonna be 16.66 farm tokens at this current price. Okay, so I was thinking if I leave it as it is, um, yeah, I'm gonna harvest because it doesn't matter if I'm gonna leave it or not because the token price is still gonna be the same. And as you can see right here, I've got 16.69 tokens right there. If you go over to my Phantom wallet, oh, I have to cash it out. Let me cancel this. Let me cancel this. So if you come over here, we can see that I have this amount of coins. And if I want to withdraw, then uh, I will withdraw and send this amount of tokens to my wallet. So coming over to the seed shop, we can see that I have 16.69 tokens and I can restake it to earn more tokens. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do because at the moment the token is taking a dump, and 16.69. So how much this is worth? 16.69. So that's worth 50 bucks. That's worth 50 bucks. Hey, wait a minute. So 16.69, that's worth 50 bucks. So that means I didn't lose money. That's strange. Oh yeah, because at the time I staked 6 coins. Yes, okay, right, I get it. Excuse me. Because at the time I staked 6 coins, and now my 6 coins turned into 16. Okay, so I thought I lost money, but I didn't lose money at all. All right, because this 16.69 right now they are worth 53.70, and I staked 50 bucks only. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I am going to buy another round of this thing. Yes. Okay. Now we're gonna go over to the farm and we're gonna plant it again. So we can click on seeds. Yeah, we can see that we got the plants right here. Yeah, you wanna plant it? Okay, done. So tomorrow, so in 24 hours time, I'll have to come over here and compound. So watering means compound. So so you have to compound 2 times, for 2 days. Okay, compound, and then once you do those 2 compounds, you will have to harvest like I just did. Okay, and essentially that's that, guys. So yeah, uh, I thought I lost money because the price when I bought was around 7 or 8 bucks, and now it's at 3 bucks. So who knows? Let's see how it goes in 2 days' time. All right. Just trying to understand this process. So if the price goes up, okay, if the price goes up, um, I will receive less tokens. I will receive less tokens. Maybe I don't know. I don't know. So if the price goes up, okay, if the price goes up, I will receive So I will receive 15.43 tokens. So if the price goes up, so if the price goes to 10 bucks. So, okay, yeah, I get it. All right, I get it. So, yeah, well, let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. So I thought I lost money, but as you could see, my 50 bucks was still worth a bit more, 53 points something. As you can see right here, so you invest 50 and you'll make 53.5. So I made 3.5 bucks, okay? And that's the update about this SolFarm. And what can I say? I cannot complain, all right? So even though the price dumped a little bit, well, way more than a little bit, okay? So hopefully this thing will recover and the team will make progress. So let's quickly look at the Twitter page and let's see what's up. So 12.7K um, people over here. We got a partnership. This was on the 19th. We got partnership with Bybit. All right, cool. New sex coming. Okay, so might be this one right here. And seems like team are working into some stuff behind the scenes, so that's a good thing to see. Let's have a quick look at PG and let's see what they say. Okay, what's this? Trading available soon. When is this? Oh, 14th of January. This is not a. It is actually Twitter page, not Twitter page. Chat page. Let me see if I can find it right here. Okay, let me see. Okay, right here. So they are talking about the new sex that is coming soon. Cool. That's a good thing to see. So it seems like they are working on some stuff. Okay, and they also doing the giveaways. So comment your proof and Solana Connect. Comment your proof and Solana Connect wallet. 3 winners with the right sex guessing and have the closest time with the real listing time will be rewarded 1 sol for each. 1 sol. That's like 90 bucks. Okay, so you might as well give it a go. And yeah, that's my update about this play to earn projects, right? So like I said to you, I like this kind of game, so I decided to roll with it. So let's see how it goes in time. That being said, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.